brother Rajiv, how can we fix Nipa and Ratul's engagement date depending on when Mithai is returning? Am I right? This is so unfair. They will feel so hurt. Nipa, am I correct?
No, Torsha. It would be strange to have the engagement party without Mithai. That is why without Mithai it is impossible to perform any of Ratul and Nipa's wedding rituals. Mr. Amrish, I will take your leave today. Siddharth, call Mithai and tell her. I will fix the date for Ratul and Nipa's engagement once she's back. Okay, child?
Bye, everyone.
There are so many obstacles in Nipa's marriage. What was the need for Mithai to leave like this without informing anyone? And I am unable to understand why Dad is asking everyone not to disturb her.
Tess, come to the study room. I'll give you the pen drive. I'm getting late. Come.
Sid, please do not buckle under your family's pressure and bring Mithai back. My mom has already warned you, right? In fact, mom was saying that it is good thing that Mithai left.
But how did Aunt come to know this? I'm sure you must have told her about it.
No, Sid, I didn't tell her. Uncle told her. Rather, this will make it easier for you to get the divorce. You don't need to make any allegations. It will be mutual.
The pen drive. Don't delay, you go home. Tomorrow we have to submit the presentation in the first half.
Sid, are you asking me to go from here?
It's so weird. If you don't go home, then how will you complete the work? Oh, right. Your favorite gossip is yet to happen, right?
Sid, this is very insulting, okay?
Tess, do you know what? I am really tired. Because if Mithai is here, there is a problem. If she's not here, still there's a problem. I mean, I can't take it anymore. Anyway, you take it and go home. Complete the work, please.
Okay, Sid, it's all right, but Sid, your attitude towards me is changing.
I have to face all of them again. I can't take it anymore.
Siddharth, I know that I probably should not be saying this, but still I'm saying. I mean, I'm saying this with Nipa and Ratul in mind. Please, brother, you please go and bring Mithai back.
Brother said, look, none of us are happy without Mithai, believe me.
Brother Siddharth, I constantly feel like crying. Will you go and bring Mithai back?
Sid. Sid, Nipa is your sister too. So don't you have any responsibility towards her?
Aunt, I didn't ask anyone to leave, so I cannot go and bring anyone back. Please relieve me from all this drama. Please, I cannot take it any longer. Aunt, I'll really go crazy if you don't stop.
What is it, Mithai? Are you thinking about Siddharth?
What are you saying, mother? Why will I think about Mr. Bittergut?
I can understand literally everything just by looking at your face. It's natural to think. What is there to think? Go and call him.
What? Will I
Call
call him? Have you lost your mind, mother? Why will I call Mr. Bittergut? Mr. Bittergut has a lot of work. Have you understood? If I call him, he will say,
Nonsense, Mithai. Who disturbs like this?
listen, I cannot listen to so many taunts. He has tremendous anger issues. My mind goes numb if I listen to his grips.
Okay. Listen. Tell him that, listen, when I last visited you, then Siddharth didn't accepted you wholeheartedly. So now does he talk to you? I mean, do you both have an understanding?
My mother's health is not good. I will go back to Jonai to look after my mother. And once I leave, Mithai will never come back again. Understanding? What sort of understanding, mother? Can anyone ever be on civil terms with him? His own family members are scared of him. But yes, he's not a bad man, I can tell you that.
At least you have developed some bond for you to be able to understand this. So, did Siddharth take you out sometime or you only sit at home? Tell me the truth now.
Hmm. 2-3 times. What do you mean? Why are you asking me these questions, mother?
Hey Mithai, how will you understand my worries? I always pray to Lord that He always takes care of you. So tell me, has He taken you out?
Oof, yes, he took me out. Mr. Bittergut's red car, the one that has always crashed with my Munni. He took me out in that. I would never go, but I didn't have any option.
Okay, it means there is some understanding between you and Siddharth. Why don't you tell me clearly? And why do you call him Mr. Bittergut? Do you still call him by that name? Siddharth is a very good boy. Listen, he's Aarti's son. Can he possibly be bad?
Sister Mithai! Hey, Sister Mithai!
Look at this.
Yes.
I've got your favorite fried cutlet. Auntie, please give puffed rice to Sister Mithai. Sister Mithai loves to eat cutlets.
Yes.
He's a very good boy. He has brought everything.
Gulti, did you miss me when I was not here?
Wouldn't I miss you?
I missed you too, you know. Life was so simple. I would sell sweets and I dreamt of opening a small shop. But things did not go as we planned. Oh no! I came here. Now what will happen to the sweet shop? Customers will ask, the Indian sweet prepared by Mithai. What will happen then?
Mithai? Mithai, this is a sugar syrup. Now what else do you need?
Listen, I'm preparing this Indian sweet.
Yes.
Can you and Gulti deliver this to Bhavanipur shop tomorrow?
Yes, of course. I told you I will deliver it.
Actually, there were orders for Indian sweet. Customers will ask for it.
Since you are so worried about everything, why did you come here? For how long will your uncle deliver sweets, Mithai?
What is wrong with that, Parvati? This is not such a big deal. But before marriage, Mithai used to do the same thing daily.
Auntie, I'm there. Why are you scolding Sister Mithai? Mithai has come here for 2 days.
How did you come to know that she's here for 2 days, Gulti?
You started it again.
What will I start? You were the one who said that your niece got married into a very big family. But she came here for the first time after marriage, but they didn't send anything with her. Apparently, everyone loves Mithai there. They could have called her, but they didn't call her even once. And look at this girl. She'll make sweet and ask her uncle to deliver to her in-laws' house.
What?
No, which family allows their daughter-in-law to sell sweets? Hey, Mithai, tell us the truth. What happened at your in-laws' house? They treat you like a sweet chef, right?
Oh my.
Aunt,
First, tell me the truth.
I have joined their family business. They have given me the responsibility to manage their base kitchen. It is a very big sweet factory. How do I tell you?
Oh my. What are you saying? Before you were selling your own sweets. But now you have become a slave in your in-laws' house. So that's it then. So much for your big talk, right? I'll open my own shop. I'll do this. I'll do that. Hey. Why are you talking like this? She's a daughter-in-law of that house. Her in-laws has such a huge shop and flourishing business, so she's joined them. What is wrong in that? What is there to open a separate shop? Don't give them the wrong ideas. Don't forget that you have already tried to harm her a lot.
Mother, please leave all this. Why are you bringing up the past? And Aunt, do you know what? I still have a dream to open a shop. Actually, grandfather trusts me so much. And uncle, aunt, grandmother, and sister Shri, they love me a lot. And they say that their business is my business. And that is why I'm trying. Let's see if I can bring profit to the business. If the Lord wishes, then I will definitely have my own shop one day. Maybe now I'll have my own shop very soon. I won't return to that house.
Nipa, be careful. If you drop it, it will add to our burden.
Oh no, what is all this? That's why Siddharth prefers to have soup and it's easy also. We could also have soup today.
Oh wow, Nipa. You are really very, very intelligent. Tonight, grandpa, grandma, father all will have soup for dinner. Wow. Give it. You don't have to do anything. Ah. Hey, Nipa. Since your engagement got postponed, that's why mom got upset. Do you understand what's the importance of your marriage?
Oh, Sandy,
What?
Shri, just look how brother is teasing me. Stop it.
True. Why are you teasing her like this? Ratul is not like a brother. You will see, Ratul will explain the importance of marriage to her.
And Nipa will serve hot soup for her family.
Please, brother. No one wants to listen to your cheap jokes.
Exactly. But did you all mark one thing? Mithai didn't even call any one of us. Shri, seriously, I'm feeling really hurt.
Mithai didn't call us. But we must think why she didn't call us. What is all this, Shri? Will you clean the dishes now?
Yes, otherwise who else will wash? Is there anyone else at home? Babulal said that he will arrange a maid in a couple of days.
Sandy, all of a sudden, why are you doing all these things? What happened?
No, I mean to say, nothing much has happened. Nipa's engagement is postponed. That's why mom is upset and slept in her room. And aunt couldn't come. And grandma's leg is paining since she returned. That's why.
Actually, Mithai was doing so many things alone that we didn't realize how much work there was at home. Now we are shouting at Babulal to bring a maid as soon as possible. Just imagine, Sandy, how hard Mithai toiled for us.
Shri. Now when Mithai comes back, all of us will help her, okay?
Look at that. What happened? Nipa, look at this silly girl's antics.
I don't feel good about anything, Shri. I don't feel good about anything.
You're pretending as if Mithai has always lived in this house. What's there to feel upset if someone leaves of their own will, tell me? I really can't understand you all these days.
Shom? Shom? Hey, Sandeep, look, where is Shom?
Are you looking for me?
Yes, I was looking for you. Bijoy called me from our shop in Bhawanipur. Was there a commotion out there today? It seems that the customers were upset.
But it was not my fault. There was an order for special sweet. And your genius sweet chef is not here. A few people came to ask me when will I get the special sweet, which I had to tell them that special sweet is not available. And this led to an argument.
But why did you say it won't be available? Couldn't our team of confectioners prepare that particular sweet?
Uncle said that the order was especially for Mithai's handmade sweet, right, Sandy?
Yes, that is what Dad said. The fault lies within the owner. You're bringing people of your choice into the business and they live at will. What will the customers do? They are going to get used to it. Everyone likes it if there is something new. But then if it's not available, then the customer will definitely get angry. What can I do about it?
Did that girl call?
No. Why?
No. It would have been better had she left after completing this order. That shop in Bhawanipur was making a profit after a long time. Anyway, let's see what can be done.
Will you have dinner? Should I serve you?
No, I already had dinner. Why are you here? I mean, what are you doing in the kitchen? You're supposed to study at this hour.
Yes. Both aunt and grandma are sick and Mithai is not here either. So I, Nipa and Sandeep prepared the dinner.
Just don't spoil your studies by doing all these.
What? Why are you looking at me? Look, I just can't tolerate all this any longer. The way you all stare at me as if I've committed a big crime.
What happened, Mithai? It's late. Why didn't you sleep yet? And why are you fidgeting with the phone?
No, I am thinking whether grandfather has taken his medicine or not. Did anyone keep water in Sister Shree's room? No one is there to do the household chores. That is why I am worried.
It definitely is something to worry about. Oh my. Mithai, you are so worried about everyone. Are you not missing Siddharth? That who served him dinner? Has he eaten properly or not, right?
Mother, is Mr. Bittergaard a normal person that I will be worried about him? Does Mr. Bittergaard eat rice? No, he doesn't. He only has soup and black tea. He can prepare it on his own. Mr. Bittergaard must have taken his dinner.
Okay. So you are saying that you're not missing Siddharth at all, right? Oh, okay, you sit here. I'll go and get some water.
Mithai? Hello, Mithai?
Sister Shri?
So you finally thought of me?
Sister Shri, believe me, I'm really missing you all since I came here. Actually, I came early in the morning. That is why I was unable to inform you. I hope you all are not upset with me.
No, Mithai. How can we? Is it possible to stay angry with you? In fact, I don't want to know why did you leave without saying anything to anyone. I understood the reason, Mithai. After all, you have your life, you have your self-respect. And Grandpa also informed all of us not to disturb you.
Sister Shri, I was saying, tell grandfather that Mithai will send the Indian sweet to the shop tomorrow. I told my uncle he will deliver it. Sister Shri, tell everyone not to worry about me. You take care of yourself. Be safe.
Sure, Mithai. You too take care.